Hi guys, welcome to the next snippet. In this snippet, I will cover the next directive, which is ng-click and ng-dblclick, means ng-double-click. Both the directives are used by their names suggest fired on a click event. The ng-click directive is fired on a single click event, and ng-dblclick directive fired on a ng double click event. Okay, means when we are going to click on some item or a directive which is used by a particular tag, it is fired, and when something happens by double click, then ng double click directive is fired. Okay, so for that purpose I am going to create a button in my body tag of HTML, and the name of button is click here, and I am using the directive of ng click, calling the function. When ng click happens, I have called one function which is named by button click. Okay, so I am calling the function after clicking a button. Okay, so I need to define a definition of function in controller, so that when click event happens, something need to be shown on a UI, some action need to be shown. So I am going to define a definition of function in controller. So the syntax of defining controller in AngularJS is a function defining in AngularJS is a name of function which is bounded by scope dot button click equal to function word parameter uh, parameter parenthesis of function and opening closing curly bracket. This is the syntax of creating a simple function as well as event fired function in AngularJS. Okay, so I am going to generate alert using window.alert when a button click happen. Okay, so window.alert, a message is printed in alert box, button is clicked. Okay, so when I am going to run the script, then a button is visible, and when I click here, then the alert is also pops up in a window, and the message also displays in the window. Button is clicked. Same for double click. I just need to replace a click with a dbl click. Okay, function is same. I have just changed the message. Button is double clicked. Okay, so refreshing the script in a browser. When I am going to perform a single click, nothing is happening, right? But see, I am going to click single time, nothing is happening. But when I am going to perform a double click event, see, the alert pops up in the browser. Button is a double click, right? So this is the difference between single click and double click. The purpose of both the directive is same. It fires the event, click event, and execute the function if something is called in that with the directive. Okay, so these are the use of ng-click and ng-double-click. One more thing I want to share with you. We can pass a dollar event which is available with a DOM with click event. This dollar event object provides multiple parameters of window in a function as a parameter. Okay, so if you are trying to print the event in a console.log used to log the attribute or variable in the console of browser. Okay, I am passing the dollar event from click event to function, and catching the event as a parameter and printing the parameter in a console of browser. So when I'm going to run, I need to open the console using F12 of browser, clear up the console, and then I am refreshing the window, and when I am going to perform double click, pop-ups open, and one more thing is printing on a console, which is event that collects the data of event and uh, appends multiple things with that event, like offset of that click, x offset, y offset, in the location of that item. Multiple things are available, and these things can be utilized for multiple purpose throughout the development. Okay, so these are the main purpose of ng-click and ng-double-click directive. So I am completing this session of ng-click and ng-double-click directive. Thanks for watching this video, and be on my channel for more upcoming features in the upcoming videos. Thanks again. Bye bye.